This one for the prokaryotic cells. Animal cell with the nucleus, coming assembly blazing up. Cell membranes control what goes in and out into cells. Got some ribosomes. Proteins are somewhere on the ribosomes, and they attach to the ER, also known as the endoplasmic reticulum. The components of the cell membrane are created on the ER, not to mention where the materials are exported from the cell and then Golgi apparatus, basically the UPS of the cell. Packaging waste for secretion of the cell. It's like cooler than a portable thing, and it's all like, oh, yes I did. Somebody please tell me who the Alpha is. I am Michaelminaj. Back to sir. Drop the cell up. The cell theory states that all the living things are made of cells. And it states that cells are basic units of structure and function. Living things that in super cells. Not to mention cells are produced from the existing cells. This one's for the mitochondria. They the power source. They convert chemical energy into much easier to use compound. And the lysosomes, like the generative cell, they just fill with enzymes. You just gotta give it that look. When they give it that look, it cleans right up. Excuse me, they do a heck of a job. Like MMA Pro, Psi, vacuole. They store materials like water, salt, proteins, carbs. Yes I did. Somebody tell me who the FI is. I am Michaelminaj, Matt. Drop the cell up. The cell theory states that all living things are made up of types of cells. And it states that cells are basic units of structure and function. And living things, that's in super cells. Not to mention new cells are produced from the existing cells. Now I know I forgot something important. Maybe it had to do with the animal cell. The nucleus controls the cell process and contains hereditary info, like the DNA. The nucleus is made up of three main parts, which is the nucleolus, chromatin, nuclear, and photo. This other states that living things are made up of types of cells. And it states that cells are the basic units of structure and function, and living things, and super cells. Not to mention new cells are produced from the existing cells.